Hi, I'm Christina Heidick with PTO Answers, and today I want to shine the spotlight on an awesome fundraiser that I think your PTO should consider, and that is the discount card fundraiser. So I have three examples here. If you're unfamiliar, you can have your logo on the front, and then on the flip side are like really awesome, let me show you a little closer, awesome offers from local businesses on the back. The reason I like this kind of fundraiser so much is because it's a twofer. It supports both your school because you're earning money for that, and then people are spending money at the local establishment. If you've never done this type of fundraiser and you're unsure about how it works, let me just tell you, it's super simple. You don't have to do any of the work for finding all of the offers on the back. When you partner with a company that will make the cards for you, they do all of that for you. You don't have to worry about like how to word your request to the company so that they feel inspired to give you a discount to offer to your customers. So I should have mentioned earlier in the video that this is a sponsored video from the fine folks at Discount Fundraising. All these opinions are mine, and I've even had firsthand experience with this sort of fundraiser, which is why I did not hesitate to share this idea with you, because I think it's a really fabulous one. It's one that I had forgotten about, and then I'm like, ooh, this is probably a good one to do because nobody's done it in our area for a while. So let me tell you about how I first was introduced to this sort of fundraiser. I was at a park, I think for a PTO meeting, because that's what I do in parks. I go to PTO meetings. These two kids came up to the group of moms that was there for the meetings, and they had one of these cards with them. I was so impressed because that took a lot of bravery. And so I didn't even look at the cards, like the deals on the back of the card. I just opened up my wallet and I was like, how much are the cards? And I think I bought one or two of the cards without even looking, because I so enjoyed that the kids felt comfortable enough and kind of brave, because I remember being a teenager, I didn't like to go talk to adults, but I thought, that is so awesome that they came up to us. So of course I wanted to support them. And many other people in my group actually supported them as well. It was like a great thing for those kids to come up and talk to this. Like, it really paid off well for them. I guess my point here is that it doesn't take a lot for community members to want to buy a card. They're low price cards, so you can price them at either $10 or $20 per card. And usually there is at least one deal or one offer on the reverse side of the card that will pay for the card itself. So like people can see the value of the card. It's like, if you just use this a couple times, you're going to pay for the card, and the PTO will have earned all the money from the card. So it is a really great deal. It's super flexible. And if you love high profit margins, this is definitely a fundraiser you need to be doing, because you can really have really good profit margins. Anywhere from, you start off, the lowest profit margin you can have is 50%, and then it just goes on up from there to I think around 80 or 85%. So it's, like I said, it's really a good one that is worth considering, especially high school PTOs, middle school PTOs, booster groups like band or orchestra. Those groups would all really do really well with this sort of fundraiser, because you can give each kid a couple cards and say, go sell them. They can go out into the community. They can be like those high school football players who approached me and sell a couple cards, and boom, your fundraising is all done. Like, it's really nice when you spread the workload. So it's not just the fundraising chair schlepping around the cards trying to offer them to everybody. It's really easy for not just school families to purchase the cards, because the offers on the cards are tailored to your community, and usually they're ones that are kind of like universally could be used by anybody. So like, great, not just even like, I'm sure grandparents who live in the area would love one, but like next door neighbors probably would be interested in buying this more so than maybe cookie dough. You can see that this is a really straightforward fundraiser that everybody can understand, and that it won't take a lot of effort from any one person. And I want you to go ahead and check out the link that I've dropped in the description below if you want to take advantage of a really special offer from our friends at Discount Fundraising. They are offering a bonus 100 cards on any size order now through August 31st. What's really awesome about that is that they kind of already offer a bonus of 100 cards on orders of 500 cards or more. So that means if you take advantage of this offer like right now, you can get 200 cards for free, meaning you don't have to pay for the cards, and that just boosts your profit margin like way, way, way up. So if you want even more details on how this works, you can also check out the blog post that is like the companion post for this video, and I have also dropped that link in the description below. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next time.